Hello friends, in our previous video we learnt the method of factorization of the polynomials. Today we will learn how we can divide the polynomials. Let us begin with an example. We are given 12a power 8 b power 8 divided by minus 6 a raised to power 6 b raised to power 5. So we have to divide the two terms. First of all, the term after the division sign, that is written in the denominator. This will be in numerator like this: 12 a raised to power 8 b raised to power 8 divided by minus 6 a raised to power 6 b raised to power 5. Now to make the factors of both the terms. 12 has the factors 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. A raised to power 8 will be written as 8 times a. 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 times we wrote a. Similarly b 8 times: 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 upon the negative sign is there. 6 factors, 2 into 3, 6. A raised to power 6 means 6 times we will write a in multiplication. Next is b raised to power 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 b's. Now the similar terms in numerator and denominator get cancelled like this. 2 cancel with 2, 3 with 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 6 a's are already there in the numerator, that will get cancelled. Next comes the b's. We have 5 b's in the denominator. They get cancelled with the b's present in the numerator and we get 2 cross a b b b. A b b b and after multiplication we get 2, it is minus 2 a square b raised to power 3 after the division. The same sum we can do with the help of formula, and when we have the two terms for division that have same base and different powers like this. Here the base is a and exponent, the power is different. Same base and different powers, we have the formula a raised to power m, the numerator power, minus the power in the denominator. This is the formula we can use to solve this given sum. How we will do this? 12 a raised to power 8 b raised to power 8 upon minus 6 a raised to power 6 b raised to power 5. We get 6 2's are 12. Here we use the formula when base a is taken, we get, this gives minus 2 a raised to power 8 minus 6. Numerator power minus denominator power. Similarly, b will have 8 minus 5. So, the answer will be minus 2 a square b cube. We get the same answer, but this was the expanded form. This is the formula form. We can use either of the two. In the second example, we are given the two terms in numerator polynomial. First of all, we write the numerator and the terms after the division sign in the denominator. To solve the polynomial having more than one term, it is having two terms in the numerator, so what we have to do is split the terms. It is p cube q6 and denominator given to it p cube q cube minus p6 q cube divided by p cube q cube. Now the terms are split and we can divide them separately. P cube get cancelled and power of q is subtracted, q6 minus 3. Then minus, here q cube get cancelled and the power is p raised to power 6 minus 3. After subtraction, q raised to power 3 minus p raised to power 3. This is the required answer after division. Given the next sum, we write it in the division form: 9x square y square 3z minus 24 divided by 27xy into z minus 8. Now we see we can cancel these terms in the outside the bracket. But what about these two terms? We have to take the common from the numerator term, and the common term is 3 because 24 is 3, 8s are 24. So 3 is here, 3 is here. It is taken common outside the bracket. We get 9x square y square into 3 common outside, and inside the bracket z minus 3 is here outside, z minus, it will give 8. From 24, 3 is common outside the bracket and 8 is left behind. Denominator as it is 27xy z minus 8. Now we see these two terms are same and get cancelled. Next, x square and x will give us 1x. Similarly, y square, 1y will get cancelled and we will get only 1y in the numerator. 9 3s are 27. We cancel it. Then 3 get cancelled with this 3. So after cancellation in the numerator and denominator, we get x and y here. What else is left? Nothing. So this is our required answer. We did the common in this sum and then cancellation work, and we are having the simple answer with us. Let us see one more type of division of polynomials. We are given this sum. The starting is same. We have to write the term after the division sign in the denominator like this: 12xy and 9x square minus 16y square divided by this whole term 4xy 3x plus 4. Now we can cancel these terms. It is easy to solve. What to do with these two terms? This sum is based on the identities. We studied the identities in our previous video. Here in the numerator we are having the formula a square minus b square is equal to a minus b into a plus b. And what is a here? 9 is the square of 3 and x square can be written like this. When we open this bracket, we get 3 square is 9, x square is x square, 9x square. Similarly, this is our a. Similarly, we make this term as square of 4y. Means square of 4 is 16, square of y is y square, and it is our b. We are having a as 3x, b as 4y. So we are having a and b. We can use these factors for this numerator term. We will write 12x y, a plus b 3x plus 4y into a minus b. This is according to our identity, divided by 4xy 3x plus 4, denominator as it is. Cancellation terms, x get cancelled, y get cancelled, 3x plus here was 4y in the question also. So 3x plus 4y get cancelled, 3x plus 4y. We are having, again this cancellation is there, 4 3s are 12. We are left with 3. In the numerator, this factor is left, 3x minus 4y. Nothing else is left. So this is our answer after division. In this sum, we use the identity method to solve the division. So friends, in today's video, we learnt the division of polynomials. First one was division of monomial with monomial, then binomial with monomial. The third method was taking the terms constant, and the fourth method was we factorized the terms using identity, then division was done. Here are a few sums for your practice. You can solve them and send them to our comment box. That's all for today. If you have any queries, you can contact to us by writing in our comment box. Subscribe our channel and press the bell button also. That will give you the notification of our latest videos. Share the video with your friends. Work hard and take care. Bye bye.